Hi guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to use AI in order to generate our algorithm. So for this you need to open the Google Colab and then press the Gemini button here, and here you can ask whatever you want. So for example, let's try to think about something. Okay, so please generate a code that gets an image from the web and apply edge detection on it and um, display the image. Okay, let's see what we can get here. Okay, so after it finalized and it create the code, so you can just press in this button and then you can see that we have some kind of a URL. For example, let's try to take some specific image. Let's take this image of Cristiano Ronaldo. So I'm taking here, copy the image address, and then I move back to here. And as you can see here, we have the URL. I'm just need to paste it somewhere. Okay. And let's see how it works. So basically we can go over the code. So it gets the URL, it requests it from the web using OpenCV. It loads the image in color, and then it moves it to gray in order to use the edge detection. In this example, it uses the Kenny edge detection, which is a classic method of edge detection. Let's see how it works. So basically it doesn't work all the time like we expect, but I think that for this simple example it should work. So as you can see, this is the original image that we brought from the web, and this is the edge detection that we got. Great, thank you.